What if we told you there was a way to turn $1 into $1,000 in just 24 hours on Pocket Option? And it's not magic or luck, it's a proven strategy. Discover the secret strategy and game-changing tool on our channel today. What's up, fam? Welcome back to Skill Master Channel, where we break down killer skills and smart strategies for everyone hustling out there. Today, I'm diving into something that's super hot right now: pocket option trading strategies. I'm going to walk you through how you could potentially turn $1 into $1,000 using a specific strategy on pocket option, all in just 24 hours, along with a multi-account management tool, GoLogin. And I will show you with a service on how to turn $10 into 1,000 domains via flipping domains. Like for the video, and let's get started. Alright, so here's the strategy. First, we're starting with $1 small risk, big potential. You'll want to look for shorter trades, like 1-minute options. Why? Because with short trades, you can take advantage of those micro movements in the market. The trick here is to go for consistent small wins instead of trying to land one massive trad. Find a trend. Look for an asset that's moving in a clear direction. This could be anything. Uptrend, downtrend, doesn't matter. We're focusing on the trend to make our move. Timing is key. Trade during high traffic times, usually around New York or London market hours. That's when the action happens, and your chances of getting those quick wins go way up. Now, here's the real kicker, guys. Trading online isn't just about clicking buy or sell. You need tools to make it smooth. That's where GoLogin comes in. GoLogin is the best browser for multi-accounting. It is this game-changer tool that lets you manage multiple trading accounts with ease. Think of it as a way to streamline everything online, so you can focus on the trading and not get stuck on all the technical bits. Trust me, if you're aiming to go pro with this, GoLogin is going to make your life a whole lot easier. Alright, back to the magic formula. This is what you all came for, right? Here's how you could potentially turn $1 into $1,000 on pocket option with this strategy. Remember, you gotta stay disciplined. Start small, keep winning, then reinvest. But here's the real gem. Once you're comfortable, you can increase the amount you invest little by little. It's all about stacking those small gains until they turn into something huge. And if you're ready to try something else that can help build up your bankroll, I've got a link down below. I'll show you how you can flip domains, starting with just $10, and potentially make $1,000. It's a simple hustle anyone can do. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell so you don't miss any future trading tips and hustles. Follow us to learn about the latest developments in the field of making money online. And before leaving, if you're serious about trading and ready to streamline your setup, hit that link on the end screen to check out the GoLogin tool. It's going to keep your trading game smooth and secure, so don't miss out. See you soon.